I woke up in a castle. The darkness was welcoming. An evening cold wind hits my seam. The wind was cold, isn't it? I was being fooled when I asked the wind, where are you at? Without you, the darkness more feeling lonely. I was afraid to remain alone. I'm calling you. I got silent. A cold wind greeted me instead. You awakened me. Living is about awareness and loneliness. Again, an evening cold wind hits my skin. The wind was cold, isn't it? Being friends with loneliness. The little me inside myself was always being lonely. Lonely, so lonely. I need you right now.